to my new channel. Today we learning about day.
Yes, you're going to learn about our colors and our shapes. Okay. So what color is that in front of you?
It's a red circle.
Good job. So this is a red circle. Okay. Thank you. And what color is this?
It's a blue circle.
Whoa, so this is a blue circle. Okay, thank you. What color is this?
It's a yellow circle.
Wow, so this is a yellow circle right here. Impressive. Good. What color is this?
It's a green circle.
Good job. So this is a green circle. Good job. What color is this?
It's an orange circle.
So this is an orange circle. Okay. What color is this?
It's a purple circle.
So this is a purple circle. Okay, good job. What color is this?
It's a pink circle.
Good job. So this is a pink circle. Pink circle. Okay, good job. Good job. This is a red square. Good job. This is a red square. Okay. What color is this?
It's a red square again.
No, this is a blue square. You see the blue over here? This is a blue square.
A blue square.
Good job. So what color is this?
It's a yellow
Square.
square again.
So you have a yellow square. Okay, good job. What color is this?
It's a green square again.
So yes, this is a green square. What color is this?
It's orange. It's an orange square.
This is an orange square. Okay, good job. And what color is this?
It's a purple square.
Good job. This is a purple square. The shape is a square. Okay. And what color is this?
It's a pink square.
Good job. This is a pink square. Pink square. Good job. And what color is this right here?
It's a brown square.
Good job. This is a brown square. Okay. And what color is this?
It's a red triangle.
Good job. This is a red triangle. Proud of you. And what color is this right here?
It's a blue triangle.
Good job. This is a blue triangle. Okay. What color is this right here?
It's a yellow triangle.
This is a yellow triangle. Good job. And what color is this?
It's a green triangle.
Good job. This is a green triangle. Okay. Which color is this right here?
It's an orange triangle.
Good job. This is orange triangle. Okay. And what color is this right here?
It's a purple triangle.
Good job. Purple triangle. Good job. This is a pink triangle. Good job. What color is this?
It's a brown triangle.
Good job. This is a brown triangle. What color is this?
It's a red rectangle.
This is a red diamond. Say diamond.
It's a red diamond.
Good job. And what color is this?
It's a blue diamond.
Good job. So we have a blue diamond. And which color is this?
It's a green diamond.
Good job. And which shape is this?
It's a orange. It's a orange
diamond. This is orange diamond. Okay. This is a purple diamond. Good job. Which color is this?
It's a pink diamond.
Good job. And which color is this right here?
It's a brown diamond.
Good job. And which color is this?
It's a red.
This is a red rectangle.
Rectangle. rectangle.
Yes, this is a red rectangle. And what color is this?
It's a blue rectangle.
Good job. This is a blue rectangle. Okay. Which color is this?
It's a yellow rectangle.
Good job. This is a yellow rectangle. Good job. And what color is this?
It's a green rectangle.
What color is this?
It's a orange rectangle.
Yeah, so this is an orange rectangle. Thank you so much for watching our video, guys.
Bye. Share, subscribe, and the bell button below. Bye.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.